All right, Joe, welcome back. Good to see you again. Here we are again at all-time highs in the market. And we got the next couple of weeks, really, we got a bunch of catalysts coming up here. And I'm almost wondering if you think we might be able to see a pullback anytime soon. I feel like the market doesn't have any pullbacks anymore, but it sure looks like we're extended. So, Joe, just to kind of set the stage, we've got the Trump-Xi meeting starting on Wednesday this week. We've got a 13F deadline on Friday. We have NVIDIA earnings next week. And then at the beginning of June, we have Computex starting, a technology event. So, looking at the SPY chart here, what do you think about where we're at and where we might go from here?
A real concern that we may get a pretty sizable pullback in tech. It seems to be one of the biggest drivers, if not the biggest driver in the market right now. And any one of those macro events that you mentioned could trigger or could be that those potential catalysts that gets this market coming back in. 13F filing is going to be the deadline to where we find out which institutional investors are putting their money into other companies. That may cause some rebalancing of portfolios. So we could see some selling and buying in different sectors as a result of that. Computex being that's a big tech event, just kind of showing all the different new pieces of technology that are coming out. That's going to be from June 2nd to 5th. And of course, the NVIDIA earnings, that's going to happen before that. We're going to find out if they have blowout earnings still, or if there is a little bit of margin pressure or pressure elsewhere, as there's been a lot of back and forth over whether or not they're going to be able to sell chips to China.
And if that's not enough, we also have a new big AI IPO coming out this week in Cerberus. So we'll see if that draws any funds out of these names. So pretty big loaded macro picture here, Joe. We'll see how these next weeks shake out.
Keep them on your calendar.